everyone, welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, your trusted source for the latest in motorcycles and biking trends. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated sport bikes of the year, the 2025 Aprilia RS 457. With its stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, this bike is set to make waves in the lightweight sport bike category. Let's break it down. Design and build. The Aprilia RS 457 embodies sleek, race-inspired aesthetics reminiscent of its bigger siblings in the Aprilia lineup. Its aggressive front fascia, twin LED headlights, and aerodynamic bodywork scream performance. Despite its lightweight frame, the RS 457 offers a solid premium feel thanks to the aluminum chassis, which ensures an optimal balance between rigidity and weight. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the RS 457 boasts a 450cc parallel twin engine, delivering approximately 48 horsepower. This makes it A2 license-friendly, while still offering exhilarating performance for seasoned riders. The bike's ride-by-wire throttle and 3 selectable riding modes ensure it adapts to different terrains and riding styles effortlessly. Technology and features. The 2025 RS 457 is loaded with advanced features, including a 5-inch TFT display, full LED lighting, and dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. It also comes equipped with a bidirectional quick shifter for seamless gear changes, a feature rarely seen in its class. The inclusion of adjustable suspension makes it versatile for both track and street use. Riding dynamics. Thanks to its lightweight design and well-tuned suspension, the RS 457 offers exceptional agility and stability. Whether carving through twisties or cruising on highways, it provides a confident, engaging riding experience. The Brembo braking system ensures precise stopping power, complementing its sporty nature. Price and availability. Aprilia has positioned the RS 457 as a premium lightweight sport bike, with pricing expected to be competitive. It aims to challenge rivals like the Kawasaki Ninja 400 and KTM RC 390. Availability is slated for mid-2025 in select markets, with multiple color options to suit every rider's preference. Inclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RS 457 is a game-changer for those looking for a stylish, high-performance, lightweight sport bike. It combines Aprilia's racing pedigree with modern tech to create an irresistible package. If you're ready to elevate your riding game, this could be the bike for you. That's it for today's episode on Bike Updater Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.